Jaden, no! Let go of your anger.
Why should I? You yourself said how powerful the Darkside was.
I was wrong.
No, you were weak.
Jaden, no! Ah!
Well done, Jedi. You have become one of us.
No!
Join us. With Marka Ragnos as our master, we will defeat the Jedi and rule the galaxy.
Join you? Why should I trade one master for another? The scepter of Ragnos is too powerful to be left in the hands of someone as weak as Tavion. If anything, it should belong to me!
Oh, you think so?
You, on the other hand, are useless. I should have killed you on Hoth.
You won't get a second chance. Tavion has taught me much since then.
Kyle?
Rosh.
I'm sorry. Jaden has turned. You've lost both your students.
No. You are a Jedi.
Thank you.
But I've still lost Jaden. Where did he go? Oh no. I've got to get to Korriban.